Okay, today we're doing compound inequalities. But the first thing we have to know about compound inequalities is what the heck does compound mean? Compound means to join. And there are a lot of ways you can join things together. Now, back when I was a kid, Saturday morning cartoons were the biggest thing. We didn't have Nickelodeon and Disney Channel or anything else you had. We had basically 11 channels that we got to pick from. So we had to wait till Saturday morning. But then people were saying, "Oh, kids these days, they don't know nothing. All they do is sit and watch TV, blah blah blah." Kind of the same thing they say about you. So what they developed for us lazy kids of the 70s was something called Schoolhouse Rocks. And this is one of my favorite Schoolhouse Rocks.
Conjunction, junction, what's your function?
Hooking up words and phrases and clauses.
Conjunction, junction, how's that function?
I got three favorite cars that get most of my job done.
Conjunction, junction, what's their function?
I got and, but, and or. They'll get you pretty far. And, that's an additive, like this and that. But, that's sort of the opposite. Not this, but that. And then there's or. O-R. When you have a choice like this or that. And, but, and or get you pretty far.
Conjunction, junction, what's your function?
Hooking up two boxcars, making them run right.
I bet you right now if you're playing this out loud, your parents are singing along because we all went through it. So yeah, conjunction, junction, what's your function? Well, we're going to use two of those today, and we've seen them before. We're going to use and, we're going to use or. So please write this down. In math, and is called a conjunction. And there's actually a math symbol for it also. We don't write out the word AND because mathematicians are all about symbols. The symbol for conjunction is an upside down V like that. Or is called a disjunction. Kind of like when you dislocate your arm. You still have your arm, it's just going in two directions. And the symbol, I know because I dislocated my shoulder. And the symbol for or is a V. So let's look at what a conjunction looks like. When you're in gym class sometimes, and they're trying to divide you up into teams, they'll ask you to pick a number from 1 to 10. All right. That means from 1 to 10. That means I can pick 1, I can pick 10, and any number in between. And if you remember, to shade in math means it's a possible answer. So I can pick 1, I can pick 10, and I can pick any number in between. So I shade that all in. This signifies anything in this shaded area is a possible answer to my question. Now, if they just do one little word change, pick a number between 1 and 10, that means you can't pick 1 and you can't pick 10. I've got to pick in between. So now, since I can't pick 1, can't pick 10, they get open circles. But everything in between gets shaded. So a conjunction joins, like the guy was saying, this and that and everything in between. A disjunction's a little different. It gives you options. Pick a number less than or equal to -5 or greater than 10. All right, so pick a number less than or equal to. All right, so here's -5. Am I allowed to pick -5? Yes, because it says equal to. So I get to color that in. Now, less than. All right, less than goes this way. So I color it in and I signify that anything this way, I'll win this game. I'm allowed to pick numbers here. Or I can pick a number greater than 10. So I circle 10 and I ask myself, am I allowed to pick 10? Nope, I'm only allowed to pick greater than 10. So that's what a disjunction looks like. Let me grab this conjunction. And if you notice the difference between a conjunction and a disjunction, you can see that a conjunction is joining two things together, and a disjunction is giving you an option, this or that. Just a side note, lotteries are conjunctions. So you have to, in order to win the Mega Millions dollar, you've got to get this number and that number and that number and that number and that number and the Powerball number. Imagine if a lottery ticket were a disjunction. Everybody would be winning the lottery. Oh, I can win if I get this number, or if a 24 shows up, or if a 39 shows up, or if a 49 shows up, or if a 59 shows up, or if a 5 shows up, I win. Lottery tickets definitely aren't disjunctions. It's kind of clever though. This picture right here is a disjunction with a conjunction. See, in order to win the Powerball, you have to get this and this and this and this and this and this. Or this person could win if they get this and this and this and this and this and this. Or the person could win if they get this, this, this. See? So to win the lottery is a conjunction, but because the person bought multiple chances, he has a disjunction to win the lottery. We're going to practice now graphing each compound sentence on the number line. First thing we see is the word or. So our little brains should know that we're going to have things going one way or the other way. All right, let's see what we want. This says, erase all that. This says that we will win if x equals 3. All right, so I'm going to go to 3. Now it's not telling me to go anywhere else. It just says if I roll a 3, I win. Or a number greater than 6. Well, I can't win on 6. I have to win on something that's greater than 6. So 6 can't get colored in, but everybody else can get colored in. Now, I've got down here what's called a random number generator. We're actually going to play this game. I'm going to go here. And you see my random number generator over here? It's going to generate a number between 1 and 100. Here we go. 34. Did I win on this game? Let's say if this was a lottery and I chose x is 34. Does x equal 3? Nope, I didn't win. But wait a second, I got a second shot. Is my x greater than 6? Yes, it's 34. I win millions of dollars. Woohoo! I quit. I'm leaving. I wish. Okay, moving on. Now I'm playing the game again. They've kind of changed the rules on me. I will win if my x value is less than or equal to -5. Here's -5. I get to shade it in because it equals -5. And then I get to go everybody less than. Or I'll win if x is greater than or equal to 2. So I go to 2. I get to color it in because it says equal to. I'll win if the number 2 shows up or everybody greater than it. All right, I'm going to go back to my random generator. I'm going to generate a number. 16. Let's see, do I win on 16? Let's check. 16 less than -5? Nope. 16 greater than or equal to 2? Yep, I win. So there's a lot of ways to win. In fact, if you looked at this, there's only a few ways I can lose. Right where that green is. Aha, a conjunction. And this conjunction says x has to be between -3 and 9. Get it? There's two stipulations going on here. X has to be greater than -3. That's the one stipulation going on. And x has to be less than or equal to 9. So in order for me to win, my number's got to fit two criteria. All right, so let's start this. We know a conjunction in our mind looks like this. We have two endpoints and then we join them. And x is in between, get it, those two endpoints. So the first one is -3. Am I going to win with -3? No, because x has to be greater than -3. X less than or equal to 9, so 9 is my other boundary. Can I win if I pick a 9? Yes, because it says less than. Because it's equal. And then we know a conjunction means everybody in between. All right, so I'm going to go back to that random generator. I'm going to play the game again. I'm going to see if I win. Let's clean this up. Let's go to my random generator. Let's generate a number. -31. Is -31 between greater than -3 and less than 9? Nope, I don't win here. Wait, that's not, come on, I want to try it again. Come on, big money! 13! Nope, 13's over here. I don't win. All right, one more. Come on, big money! 92. So you can see a conjunction. It's very hard to win, and that's why lotteries are conjunctions. Simple as that. All right, so we've got some work cut out for us tomorrow. See you then. Bye.